What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to delete a server on Discord. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. If you want to delete a server that you once created, then make sure to join your own server. Go to your server settings by right-clicking your server's icon at the top left corner. In the server settings panel, look for the Delete Server option located at the bottom of the left-hand menu and click on it. Before you can delete your server, you'll need to confirm whether you want to proceed or not. To do so, type in the full name of your server. Then click on Delete Server to confirm this action. This will simply delete your server on Discord. Apart from deleting your own server, you can also leave the other servers on Discord easily. To do so, simply open the server that you want to leave and click on the server's name at the top left corner. This will open up a drop-down menu. Select the Leave Server option highlighted in red. Confirm your deletion by clicking on Leave Server. This way, you can simply leave any server. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.